dudes? This is Sam from Sam the Bounty Hunter, and today we are going to be looking at Disney's Planes Diecast, and today we are going to be looking at this aircraft plane that is going to race on Wings Around the Globe series, and today we are going to be looking at this aircraft plane in the single pack that has been released in 2013, which is the racing aircraft plane, and we are going to be looking at Racing Dusty Crophopper. So let's get started. So we're going to be looking at Racing Dusty Crophopper. So you to see Dusty Crophopper, he is racing on the Wings Around the Globe, and you to see he has two wheels each, and you to see on his sides and even on the other side and even on his right wing already just has number 7 on it, and you to see on his sides it has a D and a number 7 on Dusty, and you to see on his sides it says Dusty, and you to see he has 3 blades each, and you can test this one out to make Dusty Crophopper fly. And actually, someone who voiced over Dusty Crophopper on Disney Planes movie is Dane Cook, that voiced over Dusty Crophopper on Disney's Planes movie. And yeah, and Dusty Crophopper, he is a cool character on Disney Planes, and his first appearance is on Disney Planes, and also his second appearance is on Disney's Planes Fire and Rescue. So yeah, okay guys, so we're going to be checking on Racing Dusty Crophopper's color. So we're going to be checking on Dusty Crophopper's color. So you to see on his hoodie and even on his sides and even on his wings already painted orange on the lines, and you to see on his 2 wings on near D and the number 7, and even the stripe thingies near number 7, and even on his sides already painted blue, and you to see on his mouth and full of his wing already painted white. And it looks like Dusty Crophopper, he is ready to take off and race in Wings Around the Globe. So yeah, so there you have it guys. So here is the aircraft plane that races on Wings Around the Globe, Dusty Crophopper. And there he is. So, hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe, stay in touch, and like this video. Rate comments below. See you guys next time. Bye.